Top 5 Best Tear Impact Wrench for Lug Nuts in 2022. In this video, we only show available, and top 5 Best Tear Impact Wrench for Lug Nuts. Number 1. ACDelco ONI 405A, Heavy Duty Twin Hammer Half 500 ft-lbs 5-Speed Pneumatic Impact Wrench Toolkit. Number 2. DEKOPRO Cordless Impact Wrench, 20 volts Power Impact Wrenches, Half Impact Wrench Chuck with 3200 RPM, Variable Speed, Max Torque 258 ft-lbs, 350 In-Lbs, 1x2.0 Li-ion battery, 1 hour fast charger and tool bag. KIMO 20 volts Cordless Impact Wrench Half Inch, 2000 Lbs Torque 3400 IPM, Impact Gun with Charger and 2.0 Li-ion battery, 7 pieces sockets, Variable Speed, Compact Electric Impact Wrench Set for Home and Car. Number 4. Ingersoll RAN 2146Q1 Max 3/4 inch Drive, Air Impact Wrench, Quiet, 2000 ft-lbs Nut Busting Torque, Maintenance Duty, Pistol Grip, Standard Anvil, Gray. Number 5. AVID Power Cordless Impact Wrench, Half Impact Gun with Max Torque 330 ft-lbs, 450 N.M, 20 volts Impact Driver Kit W/3.0 Li-ion battery, 4 pieces drive impact sockets and 1 hour fast charger, Electric Impact. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for latest top best product